AI is really the next wave of technology, and it's going to be critical across every industry, every sector. AI is in our world. So learning about AI and having literacy around AI is really going to be important. What excites me about the AI Careers Starter program is it's an opportunity for people to come and learn about AI. It's a combination of Akkodis, Microsoft and the Institute of Applied Technology, actually looking at how we can solve the skills shortage.
AI has transformed the way work is done across a number of industries, and potentially all sectors of the Australian economy will be affected by the development of new AI tools. Programs like the AI Career Starter help in building a diverse and skilled workforce in emerging technologies like AI and machine learning at scale, which is crucial for economic growth and competitiveness of the state.
We see individuals writing reports, writing emails, writing copy that they just wouldn't have been able to do in minutes. So we actually see the advancement, the productivity, the efficiency of individuals in the workplace just accelerating. The AI Career Starter program does a couple of things. It can help people with developing new skills and propelling them into careers for the first time, but it can also skill up those individuals that are already in an organisation, really looking to take advantage of AI in their current roles.
It's a fantastic, fully subsidised opportunity, which means increased accessibility for people that potentially may not be able to afford other modes of upskilling. So it's a really good test of how well it gets people prepared for new roles or to get engaged with the idea of AI and then potentially consider further education.
It brings together all of the moving parts that you need to have to be successful in your career. The Institute of Applied Technology, real specialists in education. Akkodis, which are your industry experts through engineering, globally operating. And then Microsoft, the hub of AI that's happening right now. Bringing all these moving parts together and infusing you into that experience is how we're going to help you propel into your next career move with the skills that you need.
If I had to describe the AI Career Starter program in one word, it would be empowering.
Connective.
Vital.
Necessary.
Engineering a smarter future together.